In this video, I'll show you how to create and add a new Microsoft account on your Xbox Series X or Series S console. So let's get started right away. So take your controller and press the Xbox logo here. We need to go over there. So simply press the right side arrow until you're over there. Now, when we go down, we're going to select add or switch over there. Press A. Then in this menu, we need to select Add New. So here on this screen, we have multiple options. You're not obligated to use a Outlook or Hotmail email to create that account. You can simply use your Gmail. So go ahead and type it over there. Okay, I'll just type something. I have typed an email address. It's not even mine. I'm sure no one chose it. Then go ahead and press this button. Now you'll have to enter your first name. Then again, to confirm, press this button over there. You can also press the button on your controller here to confirm, like this. Enter your last name. Okay, again, I'll press this button to confirm. You'll have to create a password, one that you'll remember, obviously. Let's create one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You need to have a capital letter, a lowercase letter, a number, or a symbol as in that password. So don't forget that. So I'll add a over here. When you're done, again, press this button. You'll have to retype the password just to confirm it. Now it's time to enter your birthday. Okay, I'll confirm this as well. You'll have to enter your phone or to add an email address simply to confirm that it's you, and in case your account gets stolen or hacked, well, this way you'll be able to regain access in the future. So add one of these. Let's say I say add email, type your email over there. It could be again a Gmail, it can be any sorts of email. Now you're not obligated to accept this. You can uncheck it in case you don't want to share any information. It's just for your privacy. Then press the next button. And now they will send an email to the email that you gave. That should be marked over there. And in that email, there should be a security code that you need to type over here. Type over here, then confirm, and you'll be done. But after that, there's nothing. You'll be able to use that account. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. If so, please leave a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.